How's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. My name is Robert. That's my 2019 Tacoma Off-Road. Welcome to Tacoma Overland. In this video, guys, I'm currently on Highway 395 with my friend James. He's got his 2021 Tundra TRD Pro there, and we're gonna be heading up 395 to do 2 days of camping. We're gonna be going up to the Sequoia National Forest as well as Ooyy National Forest. We got a lot planned over the next 2 days. This afternoon, we're gonna be fishing on the South Fork of the Kern River, and we're gonna be going after some beautiful golden trout, guys. They're usually known to be a high altitude fish. They're usually caught above 5,000 feet. Tonight's campsite's gonna be at about 8,000. So we're gonna be up in the prime territory where they're found. Hopefully we can catch some. We got the fly poles packed, got all of our flies set up. All we have to do is just get up there, get a little lucky, and we'll get some golden trout. We're also gonna do some exploring on the dirt roads. This is the first trip that I'm taking my truck out with its brand new suspension setup. So I'm super excited. We're gonna be playing around on some offshoots. I'll be playing with the adjusters, setting my dampening, and getting everything dialed in. So stay tuned for that. Of course, we're gonna do some amazing cooking on the Scottle. There's just tons that we got planned for the next 2 days. We're gonna go ahead and get back on the road. We're currently right here at Red Rock. Beautiful, beautiful spot. If you guys have the time, stop here on the way up the 395. It's a beautiful spot. Looks super cool. But we're gonna get back on the road and we're gonna get this show started. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so we just made a stop here at the ranger station just before we go ahead and get to the trailhead that's going to take us to the South Fork of the Kern River, where we're going to be doing majority of our fishing. And check it out, guys, this is what we're going for right here. We're going for gold, guys. This is hopefully what we're going to be getting this afternoon. We are out here in the golden trout wilderness. Really hoping we can catch some today. It would be amazing. It would just make my entire summer if I catch one of these amazing, beautiful fish. So we're not going to waste any more time here. We just stopped to go ahead and use the bathrooms here. This is kind of the last stop to use a real bathroom before we get out into the wilderness and we get off the grid. We're already off the grid. We have no service out here. But we're gonna go ahead and get back in the trucks and head to the river, and we'll see you guys there. Alright guys, we got a fish here. Just a little guy. He's really tiny. Super small fish. I'm gonna wet my hands here. Oh guys, we got a little baby. Just a little tiny baby golden trout. Super small. We're gonna go ahead, unhook him, and let him go. Alright guys, so I was able to catch my first golden trout. It was super awesome experience to be able to do something like this and just get out into the mountains, fish on a river, and have the chance to go after such a beautiful species of fish. After that, it was time to set up camp. It started raining on and off throughout the evening, kind of crazy, but these showers do come in pretty quick when you're up here at 8,000 feet. But we didn't let that slow us down. We went ahead and made some amazing dinner. Again, I did my favorite, which is steak and lobster. I absolutely love this meal. It's super delicious. It's one of my favorites. I'll continue cooking this meal for as long as I camp. Enjoy this, guys. This was an amazing end to our day out here on the South Fork of the Kern River. And we can't wait to come back. The exploring, the trail, the scenery, the weather, everything was super great. So I'm excited to be able to share this video with you guys. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Take care now.